How to use job assignees. Having job assignees helps you see who is responsible for a specific job and also allows you to filter by each assignee. You can set up as many assignees as you want for each job, and you can have them all be displayed in your job cards as long as you have that option enabled in your pipeline settings. There are a couple of ways you can add job assignees, so let's go over them. First, you can create and use job templates. You need to go to the Templates tab of your Settings page and then to the Job subtab. Whenever you create a job template, you will have the Assignees field where you can add as many team members as you want. While task assignees are the people who will directly be taking care of a specific task that needs to be done, job assignees take more of a manager role, meaning someone who will oversee a job throughout the entire process and coordinate others working on it. After you add all the information you need in your template and save it, you can then use it whenever you add new jobs, either individually or in bulk. You can also set up a default job template in your pipeline settings, which will then be used whenever jobs are automatically created, and it will fill in the information from the template when you manually create jobs. If you want to change the current assignee or add additional ones to an existing job, you can open the job and then interact with the assignees field. You can do the same by opening jobs from the jobs list. As I mentioned earlier, another advantage of having job assignees is being able to filter your job list by the assignee. You just have to click on the filter button, select the assignee, and apply the filter. Now you can see only the jobs to which that team member is assigned to. Of course, you can do the same from the pipeline view as well, but generally, doing it from the Jobs tab is a better option because you'll be able to see jobs from all your pipelines instead of just one.